Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? Hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. If you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor. Feel free to subscribe as we are on the journey to 10,000 subscribers. You, yes you, could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. We are almost at 5,800 subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button. Also, you're brand new, you're probably gonna want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video. So please do me a favor, just hit that little notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Now guys, I've been struggling with the content. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. So we're gonna do something a little bit different today. Today, we are going to be repainting my 1999 Air Jordan 4 white cements. Now, they're sitting right here in the back. I haven't prepped them yet. I haven't done anything yet because, like I said, I'm not going to be, I'm going to be honest. I've been struggling with content, to bring to you guys. Because I got the daughter's birthday party coming up. I got a lot of things coming up. But we do have future things coming up for the channel, so stay tuned. Also, I'm going to be starting a family channel, so make sure you check that out. If I made the family channel already, the links will be in the description. But I haven't made the channel yet, so please bear with me. But we got a lot of content coming over there too, as well as my daughter's YouTube page as well. So a lot of things flowing at once, but you know me, I like to keep it consistent on the sneaker channel, because you guys deserve that. And I appreciate and love each and every one of you guys. But all right, let's get into it. All right, guys, as you can see, we got that anglers deglazer, we got the black, we got the white, and we got the cement gray. We got our water to clean the shoe first, our tape, we got our paint brushes right here. Also, we got our pure sneaker cleaner, to prep the sneaker first. Now, I also have this outsole too that I'm gonna practice on first because, like I said, this shoe I actually sole swapped myself. Now, I didn't do the best of jobs. Like I said, it was, you see the air is coming off, the check's coming off. It was kind of a horrible job, I'm not gonna lie. It was my first time doing it, but they are wearable. I've worn them plenty of times. But the painting, as you can see, it's horrible. It came out horrible. And these are the actual, the donors I used, which I should have never did. I wish I never did it. But yeah, I was thinking about maybe putting these back on to these, if they're the right size. They seem like they're the right size, but anyway. But anyway, guys, let's get started. Like I said, I'm going to practice on this one first, just to see if this deglazer here actually works. So bear with me. We got this deglazer, leather preparer and deglazer. So dump some on here. Oh yeah, look at that. Takes it right off. Takes the paint right off. All right, now that we've seen it worked, let's get started on our pair. I tied a knot at the end of it, so let's see, I tied that little knot right there, so it's kind of a bitch to get out. So I got this one out. Whew. Whew. All right, now we got the second one out. All right, now we're just gonna unlace them. Also, as you can see, signed by DJ Clark Kent. All right, guys, sneakers prepped, ready for deglazing and painting. Well, we gotta clean the outsole first, then clean the whole upper and whatnot. Don't also forget, guys, I got the black cements too, 99. These need to be restored, but yeah, not breads, black cements. OG all, baby. Alright, first I'm gonna go underneath the outsole and just get all these little rocks out of here. See, I got like no stars at all. It's a shame, but I do wear my sneakers. These I think I wore the last time I wore them to Drip City, which Drip City is tomorrow. But my daughter's birthday is tomorrow. Also got a company that wants to do a collaboration with me as well. They want me to come out tomorrow. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make that. Speaking of that, I gotta speak to those guys tonight. See what's going on. They really want me to come out there. They told me, they spoke with me. I spoke with them the other day. But I did explain to them my situation. Like everything's happening tomorrow, and tomorrow is my daughter's birthday, so daughter's birthday, my twin daughters. Not really many stars, you can see that. Now the outsole is original, remember that. The midsole is what I use from this. Alright, my first time using the Pure Sneaker Cleaner. Let's check it out. I'm gonna use the hard bristle brush for underneath the sneaker. Oh, I made a mistake. I gotta pops me a hole in the hair. Smell that. That smells good. Attention to detail. Get that Nike pretty clean. And if you guys like videos like this, please let me know down in the comment section. I'll make more of them. So bang, that's what they look like, cleaned up. Now we're gonna go with the soft bristle and just clean the upper. Can't remember the last time I cleaned these guys. Before and after. Now I'm gonna leave this one the way it is until I completely do this one. But I'm gonna let this air dry a little bit because it is still moist. And I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, we are back. Now it is time to do a little taping. Let's start off with the outside of the shoe. And this tape is actually really horrible, guys. I wish I had better tape, but I just don't have any time to be running all over the place because I have so many things to do as I'm getting ready for the twins' birthday party tomorrow. Now, you want to get right up on top of it on the line so you got some clean lines. You don't want any paint bleeding onto the leather upper. Also, you don't want that deglaze again on that leather upper either, because I believe it will eat right through that. Like, guys, whatever I'm saying, make sure you take it with a grain of salt, okay? Because I am a rookie at doing this, so I'm only going off of what I've seen on YouTube or TikTok or this dude flipping kicks. He's from Canada, I believe. He does restorations. I looked through his Instagram page, but I did not see anything for a white cement. And I believe he's actually in the middle of redoing his YouTube studio. So if you want to check that guy out, I'll leave his links down below. You can do that. See, even though I'm not painting, you know, this rubber piece here of the midsole, I still want to cover it because I remember I got to do those splatters to get that cement print. All right, guys, let me get this taped up and I'll see you guys in a sec. I really wish I had better tape just to make sure I go right along. All right, guys, I finally got the first shoe all prepped for the acetone. Now, I will never, ever, not that I've ever did, but I will never, ever complain to anybody who's customizing sneakers or who's repainting their sneakers or their midsoles, because dude, this is a lot of patience. It also is a headache, man. And look, I almost forgot to tape the bubble. I gotta do that. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get the acetone on here, get this off. This might be a 2-part video, I don't know, depending on how long it takes, you know what I mean? Because I gotta dry it, then I gotta, you know, prime it, then paint it. So bear with me, guys. All right, so this is the paint that's coming off, all of this. And we gotta go inside the whole midsole. I got it all taped up, everything should be okay. All right, guys, to all you customizers out there, to all you restorers and all you midsole repainters, I give you guys a tremendous amount of credit, dude, because this is a little bit aggravating, especially when you have this crappy tape that I have. But as you can see, guys, got the midsole, you know, pretty much prepped and ready for painting. I'm gonna give it a little one coater with the white, and then we'll go from there. So wish me luck, guys. Dude, the amount of respect that I give for the patience for someone to do this. It's my sneaker and I almost want to throw it out the window. But we're getting there, guy. I'm just gonna freehand it too, as you can see. It's a little bit difficult with that tape on there, so, and I didn't have the greatest tape in the world, but bear with me. I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, guys, I got the first coat on. Gotta finish this up, and I think I'm going to wrap it up for today, guys, because it's kind of hot. I got a lot of work to do with the birthday, you know, coming up. But as always, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys, you know, growing with me, building with me. It's truly means a ton. But until next time, it's your man, Thesonofsomeman, and I'm out, guys. Peace.